Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the truth behind your favorite beauty products. Today, we're tackling something that promises smoother, firmer skin and less visible wrinkles. Sounds like magic, right? But we're digging into the details with Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Renewal Serum. This lightweight, dermatologist-recommended serum claims to work wonders on fine lines, wrinkles, and even dark spots. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the basics. Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Serum is packed with pure retinol, a form of vitamin A that is clinically proven to improve the look of skin by tackling the signs of aging. It's also loaded with antioxidants like carnosine, which helps fight oxidative stress and promotes the firmness and elasticity of the skin. This serum aims to address everything from fine lines and wrinkles to uneven skin tone and dullness, all while leaving you with smoother, more radiant skin. The 1 fluid ounce bottle promises to visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines in just 1 week and refine your pores in about 4 weeks. It's marketed as suitable for all skin types, normal, oily, dry, and combination, which is a major plus for a product aimed at fighting signs of aging. And for those of us who are more sensitive, it's also formulated with a soothing complex to minimize irritation, making it a decent option for beginners. If you're new to retinol, though, you'll want to ease into it and gradually work up to daily use to avoid any irritation. After testing this serum for a few weeks, I have to say it's incredibly lightweight, which is ideal if you don't want something heavy on your skin, especially under makeup. I've been using it in the evenings after cleansing, applying a small amount and gently pressing it into my skin. I didn't experience any irritation or redness, which is a relief, given that many retinol products can be a bit harsh for sensitive skin. But what about results? After about a week of consistent use, I definitely noticed that my skin looked smoother and the fine lines around my eyes seemed less pronounced. As promised, the serum worked on dullness and gave me a more even tone. However, the reduction in pore size took a little longer to notice, but I did see subtle improvements after about 3 weeks. It also helped reduce some of the darker spots I had on my cheeks, which is a win in my book. Now on to the pros and cons. Let's start with the good. It's lightweight, making it perfect for layering with other products. It's packed with antioxidants like carnosine, which help protect the skin from environmental stress. The formulation is gentle enough for daily use with minimal irritation. Results are visible in a short amount of time, especially in terms of smoothness and texture. But it's not all sunshine and roses. Retinol products can sometimes cause dryness, and while I didn't experience this, it's important to note that not everyone's skin will tolerate it the same way. The serum could take a little longer for deeper wrinkles to show improvement, so if you're looking for instant results on that front, you might be disappointed. The bottle is small for the price, so if you're using it nightly, you may need to restock more often than you'd like. Is it worth the price? If you're serious about anti-aging skincare, yes, this is a great option to add to your routine. At the same time, it's not a miracle in a bottle. It takes time, and you'll need to use it consistently to see those changes. When comparing it to other high-end retinol serums, the price is relatively moderate, especially for a formula that doesn't irritate the skin too much. In terms of alternatives, if you find Neutrogena's price point a little steep, there are plenty of other drugstore brands that offer retinol serums with similar benefits. For example, Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Serum is a comparable alternative if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, but it may not have quite the same lightweight feel. When it comes to build quality, the bottle is sturdy and practical, and the pump dispenser ensures you get just the right amount of product every time. Plus, it's a small enough size to travel with, which is a plus for skincare enthusiasts who are always on the go. As for customer support, I haven't had any personal experience with Neutrogena's customer service, but the brand has a strong reputation for responsiveness and handling inquiries effectively. So after weeks of testing, my final verdict. Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Serum is a solid anti-aging serum that provides noticeable results over time. It's a great starting point for those new to retinol, and it's gentle enough for most skin types. The price is justified for a well-formulated serum that delivers on its promises, but don't expect instant magic. Be patient and you'll start seeing improvements. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Serum, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience with this product. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.